Hi, today I will tell you how to earn money online. It's very easy, sir. It's better we people can earn money very easily. I am going to tell you people about this website. Many people are working on this website. You can see in this you have to sign up first. The way to sign up is very easy. Even little kids can do it, so can you guys. Real name for internal verify only, email address, password, then nickname, select country, Pakistan. Select your profile type. Select the desired profile type now, but you can switch between them later. I am a worker, I am an employer. Then I am a worker, then click I agree to support gig term of service and privacy policy. Send me news, event and offers via previous email. Select and sign up. Look at this, all the people have put their own gig in it. Everyone is telling that we will take so much money for this work. Then category. From here you can select your category. Convert file, digital marketing, digital writing, financial business, graphic design, legal, consulting, medical, mobile apps, music, photo, video, transcription. Digital marketing, select. I will do Excel data entry, web research, copy paste, linked. $5.20. I will build and AdSense ready WordPress website for you. Polando $3.15. Location, this location won't change. You can choose your contract or select another country and view it from here. From here you can select your category. I will design blog sport blog for AdSense approval. Then price, check out these prices ranging from $1 to $50. Look at this, it has a $1, $1.16 price. I will design modern minimalist 3 luxury logo in 24 hours. Graphics design, check out what it does. It's professional for creating YouTube thumbnail without a hitch. Price $1.05. As well as more, you can see it's a lot of work below. Like this, he put this background to make the background of the picture different as it is attached to the price. I haven't created my account on this website yet. I am just showing you guys that people are earning money by working on this website too. Affiliate program, freelance earn, check it out. You guys can see these are the latest complete tasks. See this in it, it is also from Pakistan. As these people are earning money by doing work, you can earn money by doing people hard work. So quickly create your account on this website and earn free money. You guys didn't invest any money in it. On this website you guys have to earn money by doing your hard work in it. So I just wanted to tell you guys about the website. I have told you guys. Then if you guys want to do something, pay attention to it. So okay, now I hope you guys will like this little video of mine, so please like and share it.